Hi, today's lesson is all about improving your listening skills so that you can understand and practice fast speech. Do you find you can understand words and sentences in all your English lessons, but when it comes to listening to natives, it's a bit of a blur? Well, I'm going to give you my top tips on how to listen to fast speech, and I'm going to give you some practice exercises using fast connected speech too. So come with me. At number 1, watch and listen to media which is not designed for English learners. What? Yep, that's what I said. I said listen to media that is not designed for English learners. Why? Because it will be naturally spoken English at a normal pace. Of course, you still have to do all your lessons with me too. But if you're going to be able to understand English speakers from all over the world, all speaking at different paces and with different accents, you need to watch films, listen to podcasts, listen to radio programs and, well, even play video games, if that's your thing. And of course, watch me. But, and this leads me on to tip number 2, you watch without subtitles. Yes, in fact, watch everything without subtitles. It's going to be really tricky at first, but trust me, just do it. In fact, after this video, why not sit back and just listen to one of my stories? I've linked here. There are shed loads of connected speech and phrases just waiting for you. If you don't understand after the first time, listen again to get the context. Then again and again. And once you've done this, go back and watch it with the subtitles on. And check your understanding. You'll really notice the difference. And when you notice what you're having trouble with, you're on the road to success. Why? Because it might be your grammar, or it might be your vocabulary. But very often, it's just the speed of the sentences and all that connected speech. So my tip number 3 is practice connected speech. It's not rocket science. But connected speech is such an enormous subject that I have produced several videos to help you. Check out my connected speech playlist here. If you watch all of these and practice, I guarantee your listening and pronunciation skills will improve dramatically. Now, I want to tell you something, and this leads me on to tip number 4. Fast words. I want to add to your understanding of fast speech by showing you how vowels have disappeared from some English words, leaving shorter words which are now the norm. And guess what? It's a much quicker way of saying the word. So it helps with your understanding and pronunciation of fast speech. Fast words equals fast speech. Simple. So here's an easy list of these words. Listen really carefully to the way they're spoken compared with their spelling. So, have you got your ears on? I have. Here goes. Watch, listen and repeat. Family. Family. Edinburgh. Edinburgh. Did you notice the missing vowels when spoken? Now, watch, listen and repeat. I went to visit my family in Edinburgh last week. I went to visit my family in Edinburgh last week. Now these. Watch, listen and repeat. Awful. Awful. Garden. garden. Now let's put those words in connected speech. Watch, listen and repeat. They had an awful garden. They had an awful garden. Interest. Interest. Interesting. Interesting. History. History. Again, missing vowels equals missing syllables, so the words are shorter. Let's put those words into connected speech. Watch, listen and repeat. But the history of Edinburgh is very interesting. Here's one a lot of students get wrong. Watch, listen and repeat. Vegetable. Vegetable. So now for some more connected speech dialogue. Yes, you guessed. Watch, listen and repeat. Did you know they eat something called a haggis? It's made from a sheep's stomach. Ooh, not many vegetables in it then. No, offal. Yes, it sounds it. No, I said offal, not awful. Offal is another word for the internal organs of an animal. Liver and kidneys, that sort of thing. It's awfully good. Now some more words. Watch, listen and repeat. Chocolate. Chocolate. Restaurant. Restaurant. I had it at a restaurant there, followed by a big chocolate brownie. Okay, try this one. Watch, listen and repeat. Medicine. Medicine. Now, once more, watch, listen and repeat. It gave me terrible indigestion. I had to have some sort of peppermint medicine to get rid of it. Well, maybe next time don't pig out on the chocolate brownie. Oh, just saying. Well, I hope that was useful, but don't forget what I said about listening. It's very important, and it's very important to watch my videos without the subtitles on, especially if you want to pass that intermediate stage and move up to a more advanced level. It's all there in my videos. You just have to put the work in. Sorry about that. Rome wasn't built in a day, so they say. Until next time, love and peace.